Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First we'll understand our question. The program is to accept the integer R and C as the input and then the integer matrix of size R cross C and then the string S. Now the length of the string S is equal to the rows, and now the S has a pattern, and if the ith character represent or if the ith character is repeated for so if the ith character is repeated, then the row must be also repeated at the same position, and if the pattern does not match with the string, then we have to print no as the output, else we must print yes. So now after getting all our inputs, and we know that the length of the string yes must be equal to R, and yes has a pattern, and if the ith character is repeated, then the row must be also repeated at the same position, and if the pattern does not match with the string, we have to print no, else we have to print yes as the output. Now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have 5 rows, so the length of the string is also 5. So A is repeated twice, B is repeated twice, and then we have one C. So for A, we will have the first row, that is, it represents this, and for the third row we have the second A, and then now for B we have it in the position second and fifth. So the second and the fifth row will represent B, that is 6 8 7 2. So we have 6 8 7 2, and then we have C, which is unique as it is not repeated, so it is 9 6 3 4. So now we can print yes, so yes will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case we have G G H G H K. So G is repeated thrice, H is repeated twice, and then K we have it. So first G we have, and the second G we have, and then the third G we have. So these G's are correct, and for H we have it in the third row and the fifth row. So the third row H is correct, and in the fourth row also H is correct. So when we see K has the similar values of G, that is 10 20 30 40 and 50. So since it does not have a unique value and it is repeated, for this test case we are going to print no as our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So first we are going to accept the integer R and C as the input, and then we are going to accept the integer matrix of size R cross C, and then we are going to get the string yes as the input, and then after getting all our inputs, now we are going to iterate using the for loop for in1 in range r and for in2 in range. So here we have index 1 comma index 1 plus 1 comma r, and now after iterating we'll have the condition, that is if the s of in1 is equal to s of in2 means, then we'll also have another condition, that is, and the matrix of the in1 must be not equal to the matrix of in2, and after this we'll have or. The same condition, but here we'll have slight changes. So here we'll have equal to and here we'll have not equal to. And now after this, so if the condition is true means, then no will be printed, and then we'll use exit, else yes will be printed.